What's going on, guys? Another day right here. I got a quick video I want to make. Somebody commented saying, damn, what they say? They said something like, "Why do you write so much in your posts? Like nobody has time to read all that, or people aren't gonna want to read all that." I've had people comment and say stuff to me like that in person. Here's my thing. I know I'm not gonna be able to reach everybody. When I post a post, my my priority isn't my main focus is not to reach every and anybody, although that's what I would want to happen, of course. But when I post these posts, I'm not trying to get it heard by everybody. I'm making sure all I want is the post to get heard by who it needs to get heard by. All right, there are millions and millions and millions of people out here reading and hearing from millions and millions and millions of other people. I know that my one voice, my little voice, especially, I'm just now starting with all this. I know my little voice is not going to have that much of an effect on the world yet. Keyword yet. I know that. But that's not my goal. I'm not trying to reach everybody at this. I mean, I am, but that's not, it's okay that I don't do that. I just want to reach people who I'm supposed to reach. So, I know like 99% of people who see my posts aren't going to read everything. And majority of them who like it, I'm pretty sure they like it for the pictures, and that's understandable. It's cool. And that's still fine. Support is support. And I enjoy that. It's 100% fine with me. But I know people are not going to read my paragraphs. I know most people, especially people my age, I know they're not going to read. Most people don't have the time. Most people don't care to read. I understand that. But it's not for everybody. It's for the person who needs it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to explain that to you guys, but that's what it is. The people who need to hear it will hear it. The people who need to see it will see it. The people who need to read it will read it. That's all that matters. I'm not, my goal is to help everybody and anybody in the world. That's what I would love to happen. But I understand that the world's not perfect and not everything happens the way we want it to happen. As long as I can help one person, I'm complete. I really am. I have shades on now because I was driving this morning and the sun was in my face. No longer in my face, but whatever. But man, I hope you guys get that. I mean, it's okay that I can't help if I can't help 1,000 people. As long as I help that one person who needs it, I did my job. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. You know what I'm saying? And really, I mean, my whole thing is what I'm trying to do is going to be a forever thing. That's my goal. I'm trying to make it a forever thing, not just a today thing. So if people don't see it today, that's fine. It's going to be there. And as somebody will see it in the future, one person might see it today, but 100 people might see it tomorrow. The effect that happens after or from it is still a good thing, man. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. So I hope that makes sense. I know I'm not going to reach everybody, but as long as I reach that one person, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? That one person who needs it, they'll read it. Because if it's some stuff that you need to hear, God will make sure you hear it. It crosses your path. That's all that matters. That's how it's been for me. People have told me that, like, oh, whenever I needed something and I complimented somebody on it, they were like, oh man, thanks for the appreciation. Most people don't appreciate it. I'm glad you did, and that's all that matters. And that's great that I was able to do that for that person. But now that I'm in this position where I'm able to give, I understand it now. And it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, man. As long as I can help that one person. I know I'm beating a dead horse here, but I'm just trying to help you guys understand. Like, it's not about that. My goal at the end of the day is to help that one person who needs it. That one person who's suffering. That one person who has nobody else to speak to. That one person who has nobody else to cry to. That one person who has nobody else to call on. I'm here for them. I'm not here for the mass and the majority who feel like they got it under control and they feel like they know what's going on. Because clearly they don't need me at that point, right? The people who got it all going on, they don't need me. I'm irrelevant to them. I'm here for the person who needs me. That's it. So I hope that's understandable to you guys. As always, positive thoughts at all times. Please stop playing yourself. And if you're seeing this right now, please check my last post. I was talking about it's pretty lengthy. There's a lot of writing, but it's 100% facts, man. I think everybody needs to hear it. You know, this whole situation with the virus, it's really bringing, it's a reality check for a lot of people. And the main thing out of all this, I hope we learn, is how bad we need more than one income. A lot of people are struggling right now because that one job that they put all their eggs into is cutting them off, and now we're all lost. And I'm not saying that to make anybody feel bad, but reality check, man. This is a perfect time to get into something with the lockdown, and we have all this time on our hands. Perfect time to start exploring and being creative. Start being creative. Start finding working on multiple streams of income. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. If you can add 20 more, that's awesome. But start working with one more, all right? So that when one job slows down, you have the other one to back you up, and you can continue living life. That's what. So please check out my last post about that. It's a lot of words, it's a lot of writing, but it's freaking, if you can read it, please read it. All right? Positive thoughts at all times, guys. Stop playing yourself. Keep God first and your heart in the right place. You will always succeed. It's going to be tough, but it's always going to be worth it. All right? I love you guys. Love yourself.